Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best power tool stands and mobile bases that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best power tool stands and mobile bases. For easy maneuverability of the power tools like sanders, power saws, and more, you should consider getting the ultimate mobile power tool base. The tool base have been designed to fit most tools, with some having adjustable sizes to support all tools possible. Besides this, they are also built using heavy-duty strong metallic frames for long-term use, great stability. Number 5. Protocol Equipment Universal Rolling Base. Enjoy the flexibility of easily changing the layout of your workshop with the Protocol Equipment Universal Rolling Base. This heavy-duty, rolling steel base supports up to 400 pounds. Main features: fixed and pivoting wheels. Fully adjustable. Heavy-duty steel. Number 4. Adjustable Universal Mobile Base Bora Portamate PN1000. The easy-to-use foot-operated locking levers lock the steel mobile base firmly into place. When it's time to get moving, the 3-inch hard rubber wheels. Main features: mount and move easily. Adjustable size. 400 pounds capacity. Number 3. Heavy-duty Universal Mobile Base Bora Portamate PM2500. Glides effortlessly, and locks down rock solid with a quick press. Low profile, only increasing machine height 1 inch. Main features: perfect for larger cabinets. Foot-operated steel locking levers. 650 pounds capacity. Number 2. Adjustable Mobile Base HTC 2000 for Power Tools by HTC. This rock-solid, fully adjustable mobile base side rails and corner pieces with holes spaced every 1 inch to ensure the perfect fit for your machine. Main features: constructed of heavy-duty steel. Easy to use. 500 pound weight capacity. Number 1. Rockwell RK9034 JawStand XP Work Support Stand. Holds the project securely in place without marking up or damaging the material. Built right in for easy leveling so when you're installing. Main features: swiveling and tilting head clamps. Rubber grip surfaces. Micro height adjustment knob. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.